If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this little shorty bottle of Crown Royal Apple and Hennessy with glitter into these two lovely little sparkly bottles, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some glitter to these little shorty bottles. I'm going to use Mod Podge, and I'm going to use like a little 2-inch sponge brush to gently apply the Mod Podge glue. This glue is what I use when I'm applying glitter to glass, plastics. It just works very well for me. I'll show you towards the end how I seal the glitter, but this is the process that I'm going to use adding the glitter on. Now you can use 1 or 2 coats of glitter. It's completely up to you, but generally when I use chunky glitter, I only have to use 1 coat. So these were going to be some gifts for an employee picnic for my old job, and we were all getting together. A lot of us haven't worked at that place in years, but we were all getting together, having like a little reunion because a lot of us hadn't seen each other in a long time. And the person coordinating it wanted me to bring some gifts because they were going to have some games. So I thought these would be some nice gifts to bring. I did another, this video is fairly old. I just kind of forgot I had it. This was actually from July. So I'm going to be adding on this really pretty purple chunky glitter, and this came from Michael's craft store. So you can add a nice amount of it. Just make sure that you do cover all of the glue. Look how pretty and sparkly this glitter is. I love this. It's just like a holographic glitter. When you move it around, it just has so many different just pretty colors that hit off of it. It's like you can see a little bit of pink in there, little pinches of silver. It's like really pretty. Okay, so I'm moving on to the second bottle. And again, I'm just going to take my brush and apply the Mod Podge glue. And make sure I get it down in those little indent areas, because the way this bottle is made, as you can see, there's like little dips in there. So you just want to make sure that you have enough glue to go in all those areas. Just spread it on there as evenly and smoothly as you can. And just simply apply the glitter. It's very simple. And this is something that's very quick. This is very beginner friendly. If you've never done anything like this before and you were thinking of some cute little party favors, you can use these as stocking stuffers. If there's some gifts you want to have for a baby shower, games, these are the way to go. Okay, so once you have your glue on, nice and full, covering everywhere you want to cover up with the glitter, you shake your glitter on nice and full. I love this because it has the 3 colors in it, very sparkly, very pretty, very bold. And I'm just going to shake that on there. Wherever you want to see the glitter, that's where you'll put your glue. But it also helps to have like a little brush just to knock off the excess. You'll see me use a brush in just a moment, just to make sure that the label is still showing. And I'm just going to continue to do this, and I will not be doing a second coat because in my opinion, I didn't feel like it needed one. Okay, so now what you're going to see me do is add on some liquid glass. That's the name of the product, liquid glass by TriArt. And I'm just gonna dab that on. As you can see, I'm not like brushing it straight down, and excuse the angle. At some points, this bottle is so small, all you can see is the back of my hand. Just dab it on there. It gives it a nice glaze. So for 1, it's still nice and sparkly. And for 2, you won't have that shedding. If you find that you need to add on a second coat, feel free to do so. I usually only need about 1 coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. This is what the product looks like. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these cute little bottles. This was so simple, quick, straight to the point, and I think these came out very pretty, very dainty, very girly, very sparkly, and this is something that you definitely can do. And this is just something that you can put on your bar if you want to. These can be little birthday gifts, whatever you want to do with them. They can fit right into your purse. You can get cute little gift bags, pass them out, and I just think they're so adorable. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I did not show myself sealing the purple Hennessy bottle, but I did. I just forgot to record it. But thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Life is a Whole Vibe. And it's the same name on TikTok as well. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And I just recently hit 25,000 subscribers. Hello, new subscribers. Thank you all so much to all of my subscribers.